Good afternoon. It's me, Farah. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have very good news. I have big surprise. Yesterday on 15 April, I got one big parcel, and this is the parcel is I got from my sister-in-law and her fiance. They are living in London, and they send us very big parcel for me, for my son and my husband. And today I think I have to show you which things I received for me for my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday, so I want to show you all what I got. And sorry, I already opened this packet because I'm so much curious, so that I already opened it. But now I will show you what I got from my sister-in-law and her fiance, what they sent to us. First of all, I will start with my dresses. So I got this jumpsuit. It's really beautiful. This is in green, olive green color, and the material is jeans, and it's nice. Okay, so next thing is also my dress. Another dress is black color. This dress is like a trench coat, but sleeveless. Yeah, and it's also very beautiful. I like it. What more? So this is for my son, one gift. Another is this one, is also for my son. Okay, and I got this shirt for me, Puma. I love it. It's really beautiful. And what more? What more? Not everything I received. I received a lot of gifts, and I don't know how which side is it. Yeah, it's like one sleeve shirt, and it's in pink color. It's really beautiful. I like. And one more. This is black shirt. Is also beautiful. So let's see what more. These all are my shirts. One by one I will show you. This is one more my shirt, and it's really beautiful. I didn't put in the cupboard because I was thinking if I put in the cupboard and after that I cannot show it to you all, so that I just let like this last night. And this is you can see NASA, so it's also beautiful. And also my husband have white shirt. And my son, this is my son dresses, and this is also for my son. Okay, I have to open because all people cannot see nicely. So this is always some. And what more? Here is also for my son. I think this I will give to Christian on Easter. I think yeah. Just let's see after that. And this is Christian tracksuit. It's also beautiful, from H&M. This is a trouser. This is for my son. And this is Christian's night suit. It's also beautiful, like a rabbit or bear, something is on the cap. When my son will wear, then I will show you all. Okay, and after that, this is shoes is for the home, because Christian is starting walk from 3 months before, so that his auntie sent him these things to be soft, to not he cannot fall down with these things. And This is Christian's Easter egg, big Easter egg. And this is chai for me, it's tea, and mouthwash, a lot of my shampoos, serum for me. Oh, like this you can see. Okay, one more shampoo, and what more for Christian, more egg, and maybe inside is something surprise. And this is for Christian gift. This is a first learning and play set colors. So colors and car and everything he can learn from these things. This is very nice, interesting, and today I will open it because yesterday I didn't open because I think when I received these things I didn't open. I said I have to make a video. After that I will some more things. This is for my husband. The shirt down is like this t-shirt, and this is from Brishka. Oh, so beautiful. This is pants like a trouser, and it's really beautiful. I like this material and this print very much. This is from H&M, and this also very beautiful. Hopefully when my husband will wear, he will also like a lot. And this is also for my husband. This is from Brishka, and this is also chocolates for us. More chocolates. Christian's mini rolls. This my son like a lot. And this is also something for my day cream, but it's nice. And look here how she packed for me to not go this liquid on the dresses. So it's really nice. I'm opening in front of you all. So this is for me, for my skin, because my skin was going to dry and too much problems have with my skin. So I thought I didn't thought, and I didn't said it. Means I talked with her like this, but she didn't tell me. It was just surprise. When yesterday I received, I was have too much bad mood, but when I receive all these things, I'm happy. And this is Nivea cream for me. This is for my husband. And what more? This is hand sanitizer. Is also packed. And what more? My lipstick, my oil, and at the last, this is, I don't know what is this, but I will open and I will see what is this. And this is my face wash. And no, at the end I want to say thanks to Alina, and thanks to Christian. Thank you so much for sending us these beautiful gifts, and we are really happy. And I like a lot everything I like. And thank you so much. And what I can say to my YouTube family members, I hope you like my video. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए. Bye bye. Take care.